Hey, this is the next kind of problem you might see. There's lots of problems that have things about midpoints. Well, in the first place, what is that? Well, in case you didn't know, we had a point, let's say we have 2, 3, we had a point here, -1. Obviously, this is not to scale, so just saying. Let's just say we had those points. The midpoint would be the point between them. And I'm not saying that's exactly where it is, but that's just what a midpoint is. The distance between those points is a distance formula, which I'm going to make a video about that too. But the midpoint formula, you have to remember this, unfortunately. There's two coordinates of the midpoint. To find the x coordinate, you add the x values of the 2 points that you're trying to find the middle of, you divide that by 2. You do the exact same thing for the y. So it's actually not that hard to remember, at least that. So let's plug in the values to see what they are. So, sorry, it's kind of hard to draw now. I'm having to use the touchpad. I would use my iPad, but I can't make multiple recordings easily on that. Okay, so the first x is -1, the second is 2. The first y is -5, the second is 3. So -1 plus 2, that is 1, so is 1/2 is the x coordinate, and then -3, or sorry, that's 5. -5 plus 3 is -2, divided by 2 is -1. So it would be 1/2 -1. So it would really be like, well, once again, this wasn't the scale, but it would really have been like right here. But whatever. That's the midpoint formula.